Another Monday, another beach adventure. It is 13th of November today and only 1 degree Celsius in the air. And I am out exploring Farstanäset. That's fairly close to my home, only 5 kilometers away, and it took me less than 15 minutes to reach this spot on my bike. So I'm ready for another dip in the outdoor waters here in Sweden. And this is Lake Magelungen that I have visited many times before, and this particular spot I have also visited on my beach day number 4 this year. Yep, it's been a while. It was on the 12th of April, so 7 months ago approximately, or actually exactly 7 months ago. So yes, back then it was sunny day with 10 degrees Celsius in the air, but the water was cold. Probably it's gonna be the same temperature in the water. Back then I didn't measure, so I can't tell for sure, but today it should be around 6 degrees Celsius in the water, so still good. And today is a special day, so 13th of November, and in Sweden they celebrate the name day of people that are called Christian, among few other people. So that means that it's my name day according to Swedish traditions, as my name is obviously Christian. And today is actually celebrated only for the people named Christian with a K. The CH people, so a Christian with a CH celebrated on another day. I find that a bit strange because it's basically the same name, just with different letters at the beginning. They're pronounced actually exactly the same. Anyway, I believe my name day in my home country, where I come from, Macedonia, it's on Christmas Day, if I'm not completely mistaken here, but yeah. Anyway, that was enough of chit-chatting. So yes, today is beach day 187, and this over here, Farstanäset, is a super nice nature reserve, and it has few houses around that are used summer houses mainly, and it's very close to Farsta, as the name states also. So yeah, this is a nice jetty to be used for a swim, and we see some houses on the other side that are private ones and have their own jetties. So yes, and we are not so far away from Augusta, nudist beach, where I was a few days ago. Yeah, it's just around maybe 1 kilometer airline from here, but otherwise you need to pass that bridge where you see the cars passing by. So yes, the weather has took on a turn to be colder and colder. Still no snow in sight, so I think we're gonna be able to manage it until 200, but let's wait and see. So yes, Monday, we are starting the week with a dip here, and we're gonna check the temperature now before we take a dip. So let's then see what do we have to deal with today. It is 6 degrees Celsius exactly in the water. Yes, 6 degrees Celsius in the water, so that's good enough. That's good enough for a quick dip. So let's not wait any longer and go ahead in. Okay, I got very used to it, so I don't need much more adaptation now. All right, are you ready? Let's go. Oh, so nice. So nice now that it's actually warmer in the water than in the air by a whole 5 degrees. So nice. Yet refreshing. Okay, cool. That's a shock for the body, but it's a good shock for the body. So yes, let's continue with the beach adventure. Let me clear out the... Yes. definitely like it. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again tomorrow with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.